Good morning, everyone, and ladies and gentlemen. Please allow me to introduce myself in first. My name is Irving Chen, a senior director from the Unitree Robotics. It's my pleasure to have an opportunity to talk with you guys today, and also thanks for TechShare teams to hosting this conference. And the subject of my presentation today is about the latest product and the product map of the Unitree Robotics in the coming future, in the next few years. First of all, I will use 5 sessions to introduce about the Unitree and our product map. So, firstly, our company is founded in 2016 in Hangzhou City, nearby Shanghai, and Hangzhou is the famous domestic city in China. The headquarters of the Alibaba is nearby our company. We are nearby their headquarters. And our company founder, his name called Wang Xingxing, after he graduated from his master degrees, and he worked for the DJI company for the half years. So after that time, he quit the job and found the Unitree company at that moment. So nowadays, we have more than 400 people, including the designer, engineer teams, factory, sales, marketing, and so on. Unitree is committed to exploring the various possibilities in the future. We firmly believe that the next generation of the technical revolution probably will be coming soon, and the AI and the robots probably will be the most important engines. For those technologies will be lead our economy further in the matter of the next generation. So we believe as a player who can keep the leadership in this marathon game, who will have the more chance to get the higher success. And here Unitree start to focusing the leg robot as our first priority strategy, and chasing and running in order to against the time in this great window of the opportunity. So we are the first company in the world who beginning to public selling the quadruped robot product in the worldwide. We are the first company, even earlier than Boston Dynamics. Actually, Boston Dynamics, they are announced at the end of the 2020 and early of 2021. But from Unitree, we started the sales of our product at the 2018. And we believe that we also keep the lead sales performance in this leg robot field over the past few years. And here is about our product map in the past few years, so that from Unitree, we hope everyone will have an intimate robot partner in the future. It should be loyal, smart, and friendly. And in our imagination, dogs should be the most suitable for those conditions. So we start to design our own product, own dog robots, and maintain affordable price basis of the high performance. From the 2013 to 2016, our company founder, he designed and built his first robot product called X-Dog. We still can search some information from Google or YouTube during his master degrees. And after Unitree founded, so the light cargo is our first product. And in the world, we have been some of the famous use case in the past few years with the light cargo product. But however, it's the first generation product, and the massive production capability. Also, the quality is not efficient and also not good enough at that moment. So Unitree keep move forward at the 2019, 2020, 2020 and 2021, we start to design and announce the alien Go, A1 and the Go 1, also the B1 robot, and which make Unitree to delivery to share our robot technology to the worldwide, not only in China, but also in the worldwide in the most of the countries. And we also starting to enter the industry marketing beginning from the 2 years ago, since the industry marketing size have the much more huge marketing potential in the next decades. Especially it will be able to replace the people work. So here last year, we have been announced our inspection robot solution and the fire control robot, firefighter robot solution in China. And we're still testing in China in the domestic marketing. Probably maybe in the next year, after we have the much more maturity solution for the industry level, we will be announced to the worldwide. Furthermore, for the expand product is from Unitree, we also have been planned for the other product related with the robot, but different with the robots. So first is the L1 LiDAR. And the second, we also have the robotic arm, because nowadays the most hottest topic with the robots, I believe, is manipulation with the mobilities. So we are start to focusing the arms with the hardware platform in order to provide the satisfied experience to users about the manipulators with the mobility hardware platform. Furthermore, Unitree, we also have been designed about a pump for the fitness product. This is a new, totally different product from Unitree. So I will be taking a very short times to quickly introduce about this product later. And this is our second session about our products and product characteristics. So the X-Dog is designed and announced in 2015 and 2016. And after our founder quit the job from the DJI, so the major reason about why find the Unitree Robotics company is because the X-Dog is attract the people attention from the worldwide, and with the help from the angel investor, so we've burned officially in the 2016. Leica Go is our first product, and the name of Leica is because that the space dog from the Leica, and the first space animal dog, see his name called Leica. And it's helped Unitree become the most famous start the business in the world. And for the Alien Go robot is a middle-sized, highly integrated quadruped robot for the developers, professionals, and enterprises. It's the first generation of our industry-level product, and it has the leading industry performance, and we provide the comprehensive service to help users to develop their own application with such kind of the hardware platform, so that the companies, they have the more better opportunity and service to their own clients with this advanced robotic technology in the start of the robot business. So everyone, they start to interested to investigate with the robotics, with the business application, with our Alien Go product in the 2019 at that time. And the battery lifetime can be catch more than 2 hours. Also, the maximum payload can be catch more than 8 kilograms. So the A1 robot is the first middle-sized quadruped robot for the starters, for the developers, and the robot fans benefit the user to easily jump start with their own professional journey with the A1 robot, because the cost for the A1 robot at that moment is less than $20,000 US. Sometimes for the some version will be approached to 10,000. So at that moment, we start to expand our robot business with the A1 robot. And the Go1 robot is the first step of the Unitree that trying to enter the consumer robot world as a consumer product. The maximum speed for the Go1 robot can be catch around 4.7 meter per second in the laboratory situation. And the speed test is one of the most essential performance tests for the leg robot from our opinion, because we think it will show the fundamental motion control performance, which is a key difference from the wheeled robots and the drones. Also, it will let the robot algorithm control much more stable as a hardware platform. So we also announced the Z1 arm for the mobilities. And this one is our first industry level. Compared with the Aliengo, it's more like industry level to enter as a hardware platform. So it's designed with a super payload capability. Working payload will be more than 15 kilograms. Sometimes it can be catch around 20 kilograms, and the multiple service adoption with a strong obstacle crossover capabilities. Also able to catch the IP67 with the waterproof and the dustproof with a strong protection function, enabling to development with the navigation, automatic charging station with the charging, and all-weather operation, because it supports the IP67, and with this hardware platform used for the various business case. So I will share some of the business case later in the next session. For the pump, I will just for the quick introduce. It's different with the robot product, but the core technology is the same, is a little bit similar from the motor control and motor power. For this product, it's some kind of like revolution product for the new generation of fitness and for the exercising every day and everywhere. Imagine that we are in the business trip, or maybe sometimes we are going to outside for the few days for hiking, and there is no way to find the gyms, find the exercising place. So with the pump product, it's easy for us to carry on and keep the exercising every day and everywhere. Especially sometimes if we have just a small room size, cannot put the huge exercise device. So with the small product, it will help us to keep the exercising. And this is the L1 LiDAR from Unitree, because I see today they have one more presentation to introduce the L1 LiDAR. So I think for me, no need to too much introduce about the L1 LiDAR, and we can see that today, maybe later. So here is the most important session for today, because our company just announced the new product of the Go2 robot last week, and apply from my company boss, I bring one of the Go2 demo unit to Nagoya today. So maybe over the outside, there will be a space show to quick demonstrate for the Go2 robot. But that Go2 robot is the prototype unit. So maybe some of the function is not completely, but at least we will have a chance to see the new Go2 new product today. And because the formal delivery time and the production time will be later than October this year. So now is in July, at least we have the chance for today. With the Go2 robot, compared with our previous generation robots, especially with the Go1, the battery lifetime increased 150, which means with the Go2 robot, one single battery, it can be running more than 1 hour. Sometimes even can be running more than 90 minutes. I mean, constantly running, no stop, constantly running. And we also installed some kind of like ChatGPT inside to communicate with the peoples, connect with the internet and at the microphone to communicate with peoples. From Unitree, since the world is designed and built by our own leg to movement around, so we believe the leg robot should be the natural choice to work into every home and every business. For the personal robots, it always have been imagined as a fascinating pet for the general of the peoples. We believe that all of us must have been already seen accompanying robots in the books, movies, sometimes in the laboratories. And now, I believe with the go-to robot, it should be the first, it should be important steps to enter the consumer level robots. And the Go series robot is the most advantaged personal product that we can get from nowadays. It's also the first robot designed for the every home, for the everyone. It will be used as a great fun to play with such small, smart, and powerful robot. And for the next, let's see some of the official announced video with the go-to robot. Okay. Let's see the performance. I'm back.
Welcome home.
Good boy. Shake hands. Very good. Give me some water.
Sorry, I can't reach it. I was pressuring inside.
Such like this function will be the standard for the product when the user catches the robot.
Nice dance. Now, take a photo of my outfit.
As you wish.
And we also use the
Let's go.
camera at the front of the head so the robot can be take a picture or video for his master. This will be the new joysticks with the go-to robot. So all control will be through the applications support Android and iOS system. And it will be transfer the video stream and the real-time LiDAR to our mobile application and show with us. Also, with the application, we can read all the data from the robot, the temperature of the motor, the temperature, the situation of the battery, and change the robot gait for the dance, for the running, for the backflip, and take the picture, take the videos. Also, speak with the robot, and it will be connected with the ChatGPT and make the answer to us. So all the functions will be moved from the real joystick controller to the mobile application. Also, it will support the avoidance function. So it's a LiDAR. The maximum crossover capability will be more than 16 centimeters and covering the on-revenue streams. So for here is we also will have a plan with a small robotic arm with a small platform, and Unitree will be announced maybe in the next few months with the go-to robot, be equipped with the mobility and maybe later. Also the charging station. maybe for the next, please allow me change to the browser and open one website because I would like to spend a little bit more time to introduce about Go2 robots, and it will be, since it's a new product, I have too much information for my PowerPoint, so I would like to show the official website. Okay. With the Go2 robot, we provide multiple options on the back of the hardware platform, such like LiDAR, is a camera, 3D LiDAR, and the small robotic arms, also the charging station. For this is a docking station. So able to provide the multiple hardware ports and easy for users to install their own device and their own expectation of LiDAR and on any kind of the other sensors. And it's able to control through the application, just like I introduced. Sorry, just for the quick introduce. And next is our marketing application. So with our platform robot, we want to enter the commercial level in the enterprises. So we compare with the traditional inspection robot about the leg robot. We compare with the wheel or maybe track robot. We believe the leg robot have some kind of advantage, such like discrete photos and enabling to adopt the different terrains, such like stairs, steps, slopes, maybe mountains, and so on. And equipped with the GPS, arm, LiDAR, and other sensors, it will be able for us to use it in the different place, such like and different functions, such like construction for the measurement, security, research and rescue, and patrol, some kind of like this side, this direction, and provide the service to various industry levels. So both we know the autonomous mobile robots with industrial are more cost effective compared with our human labors. So which allowed us to expand the list of the economically service. And it will be because the current demand service were originally offered by the cost of the human labor. And in the next decade, we believe it will be step by step to take the responsibility by the robots. And this is the desire and the goal that the Unitree working for. And I would like to show one of the demonstration, the video demonstration about our business industry use case. So with this picture, we can use the robot on the ground, also under the ground, with a wireless connection, or maybe with the automatic movement to do some tests. This is a project that we try to testing and focusing in the China domestic market, and we plan to announce to the worldwide next year. The charging station for the robot. So we can zoom the camera and read the data. So once we take the picture can be sent back to the control center, and we recognize the picture data from the control center and mix the list. So finally, to read most of the device in the factories and make it with the data and to read the information. It will be replace the people's daily work, especially for some dangerous place in the factory, such like maybe a nuclear factory or oil factory, some kind of like that. Also with the manipulators to do some simple tasks and simple work. So it's support IP67 with a waterproof and dustproof, which means it can be worked in outdoor or outside. So here is about some of the user case from our industry level. And I need a little bit quickly to speed up the two. And above is our current generation robots. So I would like to share one confidential news from Unitree that for our next generation products that we have planned to make the humanoid robots. Probably will be announced maybe early of the next year, and with the two-leg robot, similar like Asimo, but a little bit different compared with the Asimo. And after the Elon Musk, after the Tesla, they announced their new humanoid robot. It's become the most hottest topic in the world nowadays, and everyone they starting to chasing such like hottest business topics. But we still need to. Nowadays we have been seeing many companies they announce their own humanoid robot right now. However, there is no massive production capability from all of those companies, what we see right now. And Unitree, we have our own factory and own engineer department designed for the robot. We are designing and a commitment to design and produce with the low cost but qualified humanoid robot in the next session. Okay, but I cannot share any picture and any video for today. It's still highly confidential. And except the humanoid robot, we will have the maybe the B2 robot, much more light, and the performance will be better compared with B1. Also will be announced next year. So quickly introduce at the Unitree, we hold our designer department by our own selves, also the factories, and which means we keep most of the industry chain by our own selves, and which help us to manage the cost management capability to keep the lower cost and make the flexible with the industry chain, because we keep almost supplier chain by our own selves. Even the motor reducer, motor driver, motor controller is totally designed by our own selves. So as the industry chain, this is the most core competitive capability for companies, for factories, for designers. And it will be final benefit for Unitree to provide a qualified product to the worldwide, because from the industry chain, to keep the qualified, to keep the stability, to keep the lower cost, and we testing the robot by ourselves. Okay, this is the core reason from 1 to 2, from 2 to 3. And we have more than 150 technical patents, also public, more than 100 public authorizations. Okay, and we have been trying to attend some of the ceremony in China with a massive dance for the entertainment purpose. And we also last year we've been attended the Winter Olympics, the ceremony with the Winter Olympics, and we've been attended with some of the Chinese festival with our robot. Just a few months ago, we attended the Super Bowl is an American super festival, some kind like that, and use our robot for dance with one of the superstars. Okay. So we have been working with multiple partners from the worldwide, such like MIT, CMU, and Stanford. And so finally, from Unitree, we want to explore this exciting possibility with the creative minds from all over the world with our friends and partners. With the user help, we promise to work hardly to improve this great innovation and bring the price further down in the each next generation to benefit everyone in the world. So based on the reality of the increasingly robotics global environment and its merging brand new market, the economy attractive and advantageous use for the autonomous robot will be seen in the next decade, will be coming soon. And in the matter of the process, we are hoping to become a part of the future. And we are sincerely to invite you to join us with this exciting robot journey together. Okay. So thank you very much for all of you guys for today. I'm sorry I maybe take too much time for this presentation. And the latest is any questions if you have for my presentation or for Unitree Robotics. For the question session. I don't know if the hosters you are allowed for the question session. Okay. Maybe we can talk later. Thank you very much for all of you guys. Thank you.